Tell a bitch that I'm one of a kind. Badass bitch got me losing my mind. Bring the coat, this shit been months. I ain't been back home couple months. Tell a bitch that I'm one of a kind. Badass bitch got me losing my mind. Bring the coat, this shit been months. I ain't been back home couple months. I'm in change after changes, I'm in changes. Waiting for this time, we had some pieces. Now we lit. I couldn't wait to rock that stage. No, I couldn't wait to do this shit. It's about time we caught that ball, we caught that pass, can't let this slip. I'm with Wxvy right now, crazy hard, this shit completely flip. I had hated niggas way before the blowers jumping ship. I'm in change after changes, I'm in changes. Change after changes, I'm in changes. Tell a bitch that I'm one of a kind. Badass bitch got me losing my mind. Bring the coat, this shit been months. I ain't been back home couple months. I'm in change after changes, I'm in changes. Waiting for this time, we had some pieces. Now we lit. I couldn't wait to rock that stage. No, I couldn't wait to do this shit. It's about time we caught that ball, we caught that pass, can't let this slip. I'm with Wxvy right now, crazy hard, this shit completely flip. I had hated niggas way before the blowers jumping ship.
Tell the bitch that I'm still on the Adidas. Tell the bitch gon' get out of feelings. I ain't mean what I said, I was tripping. I'm telling you I can't, no, I listen. I'm telling you I'm feeling the vibes. Nigga used to just regular guys, but it's Wxvy, she know that I'm different. I'ma break it, I'll tell you to fix it. She a freak, cause amigo, she sipping. I brought game to the shows, no, I'm tripping. I'm Wxvy, I cannot be slipping. Most coders like NJ and Pippin. Heard he lost that pack and went missing. I'm a gang, Bruce Lee kicking. Send my name, I might grant on your wishes. Got a bad bitch doing my dishes. All my dogs gon' bite, yeah, they vicious. I can't lie, I've been feeling the love. Play my songs when I get in the club. This ain't Wxvy, no motherfucking scrub. I need rigs, no motherfucking hug. I've been doing this shit, I'ma pop my shit, I'ma pop my shit,
I'm in change after changes, I'm in changes. Waiting for this time, we had some pieces. Now we lit. I couldn't wait to rock that stage. No, I couldn't wait to do this shit. It's about time we caught that ball, we caught that pass, can't let this slip. I'm with Wxvy right now, crazy hard, this shit completely flip. I had hated niggas way before the blowers jumping ship.
Shout out to all the young niggas out here, you know what I'm saying? It's ASAP motherfucking L's, and you know the King of New York is outside.